My signature is a big head. Kusho our very own Julius Mkhwanazi.
Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. Oh guys, ziyakhala ziku-loudspeaker eMadlanga Commission cause wow, owaze wasimangalisa-ke uJulius Mkhwanazi today. Not yena sekabita i-EFF nge-Economic Freedom Front. Yes, the new name. Ubaphile nje. Free wabapha ligama. Guys, ngiyambuyela uGuy lapha. Akakhoni lutho. Uyatatazela. Ubamba la ayekele la athi makasuka la avele nje aqonze la angakabudwa khona. Cause tell me why yena ngesikhashana lesincane bese kanathe manje. Ngidotse 5 liter cause vele hayi wanathile ona. Kuthi indlela ekuchuchisa yena kangaka maybe it's because uyathi ukuthi yena indlela itini yomuntu endile. Mr. I didn't. Nango-ke phela so busy. Konke yena I didn't. Sisho vele ukuthi this guy usebenza la kuthiwa usebenza khona or maybe uthi to represent someone cause make it make sense ukuthi yena lekinto lakhuluma ngato lapha ngasithi ubitiwe wathiwa hey ukuthi ukukhulumela someone naman. Guys, this is a completely unbearable moment for him because uyahluleka ukufeyisa lesimo lesi lakathi create sona cause kuningi masakacela ama-break la imiliyoni yena ukuthi ufuna kuphumula yena ufuna ini uvele ubone ukuthi uGuy uyadibambisa vele asikhombe ukuthi yena u-guilty. Bambuta ngema-blue light ukuthi kwenzakalani ngani. Kade naye njalo nakuveta ligama lokuthi lama-blue light kwenzakalani. Athi hayi bo, mina ngaphola ukungibita mina ngizange ngi-install lutho. Mina ngathola yabo nje uyasibalela ukuthi le ama-blue light a-install kuphi nonke sekavete bo-red light. Bangenaphi lapha cause uZanele yabe kungakhanyi ama-blue light kuphela nabo-red light bebakhona. Hayi asathi. And ithe isachubeke njalo imibuto abuda Mr. Mkhwanazi Julius. Yena guys, there's something lesingesiyithathe kuye. Yes corrupt, yes unemaphutha akhe but hayi yena shem ubonakala kwangathi uyahlonipha cause lapha kule commission hayi uyabahlonipha impela bathi naye uthi uyabahlonipha mara kuningi nje lesebakwendile so from Mr. Phutheta, I didn't put the lights. Now saying Mr. Economic what front. Hayi uyagowisha and it's like stress akakhoni ukudila naso ngale ndlela lekumele. Akekho ngaleyo ndlela utenke guys. Lo utozathi ngicela kuchame khona la cause uyambona ukuthi hayi. Uma singabuda nje. Why kona ku-interview this guy ngoba he's not make sure guys, he's not make sure. Guys singakusho konke mara nako lapha eMadlanga bazamile ukuthi bamba cause the way this guy was all over the place akakhona ukustika ku-answer leyi-one. Bazamile nabo kuba professional cause kube bekungelabanye bebatohleka masakacale kwenza into takhe la bekadeni. He was so restless. He was like bekangabambeki ngathi bekangadi ukuthi today uyaphi. Lekhanisa kade solo umjuluko athi hawa guys ngiyajuluka nje mara bayibambe ngendlela yakhona. So guys, that brings us to the end of our today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Ndonibona ku video landelayo. Bye.